Hello guys,
Hey,
this is
guys.
Rodion and Jay, and we're going to be building a puzzle box for you today. Okay, so the pieces you will need are two 1x4 pieces,
two 1x4 tiles. So make sure they're smooth.
4 1x2 big pieces, like these.
Two. Doesn't matter the color.
Three.
Three. No, these are.
That's
Get
needed.
Two 1x2 tiles. You need one grill. So there it is, a grill like that. I don't know what you call it, but a grill.
You'll need 4 big 1x4s.
So they're not tile ones. You will need, two 4x4s, flat 4x4s, flat ones.
You'll need
You will need 3 2x4s.
You will need 12 1x2s that are flat.
1x2. 1x1 brick. So it's like square, basically.
13 1x1s flat.
And you will need
One
another
tile.
1x1 tile. 1x1. You can have whatever design. It can be without a design. It can be with a design. It doesn't matter. We just have this one because that's what's in my Lego box. So let's get started with the build.
Okay, so we're gonna use this 1x2 right here.
That's not a
1x2. 4x4. We're gonna place this 1x4 onto it. Then we're gonna take this 1x2 and place it right there.
That's a 1x2.
Then we're gonna place this 1x4 flat tile. Then we're gonna get a flat 1x2. That's a tile. And then
So this is
how it is so far.
After you have all the pieces down, this is what it should look like.
For right now.
Yeah, for right now.
Then we're gonna take a 1x4 and place it on the remaining spots. We're gonna put that away and start building a key.
So
a kind of key.
There's a thing. There it is. So put it off to the side.
And we're gonna start building a key.
Can I do it? I'll build it.
So we're gonna take a 1x4 and a 1x2. They're both flat. And then we're gonna take. Sorry, we forgot this one in the video introduction. So we're gonna connect them all like this. So we're gonna put one on top, one right on the bottom of it, and then our remaining spot, we're not gonna put the grill. Sorry.
That has to be a flat one, I thought.
And then we're just gonna put one of these. Okay, so we'll look something like this.
Wait. So after you have it all done, it should look like the tile right here, here, and here. And then these are the pieces on the back. A 1x4 and a 1x2. So
and you're gonna place that. Oh,
right.
Wait, sorry, guys. We did it the wrong way. So, and you're gonna place that in here.
Right in there. So after you placed it in, that square should be filled with the key and the place that the key goes in. And then the only standing color out right there. So we'll also put that to the side.
No, we're not going to put that to the side. Next we're going to do is we're going to take 2 2x4s and do not do it like this. Don't do it flat so it just covers the whole thing, the whole key. Put it like this so it only starts covering parts of the key. Otherwise the key will fall out. See, like this it won't fall out.
But if you put it how I did the first time, if you put it the different way, if you put it like horizontally, the key, if you shake it, it will eventually come out. So don't do it the first time like how I did it.
Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of this flat 1x2. Sorry, we forgot a lot of pieces in the introduction. We are so sorry. You're gonna place it connecting.
So
these
if you don't have the pieces out, just pause the video and go grab them, or else you won't have enough pieces.
So you're gonna connect them like this.
Bye.
Okay, and then you're gonna take the eye. Sorry for the moment of pause. You're gonna take the eye and stick it right there.
Right.
Then we're gonna put that away.
I mean, you can put it any side, but we just put it like this, right here. So yeah, put that to the side for now, and then
you are going to need to take the grill. This grill right here. Then you're gonna put this 1x1 stud. See this 1x1 stud right here? Then you're gonna put the grill right on top of it, and you're gonna put with this 1x2.
So you're gonna put a 1x2 right underneath the grill,
or you can use a 1x3 and just put that right there.
Yeah. So this is what it looks like when it's complete with the grill, or you can use a 1x1 stud and a 2x1 flat piece, or you can just use a 1x3 flat.
Okay, now you're gonna put this piece right here and just put it there. Now the next thing you're gonna do is you are going to start by using these pieces. So just put this to the side for a moment.
Yeah.
Put this piece to the side.
That piece with the grill.
It's gonna be a little bit easier that way. Then you're gonna take your remaining 1x4s and stick them on like that.
So you should have it like this, where it's blocking off the eye and the tile, and there should be one remaining right there.
And you're gonna put your 1x1 right there.
And it's not a stud, it's a block. So 1x1 block closes that gap like that, so it won't do nothing.
So we forgot a couple new pieces. Sorry again. So if you don't have the pieces, just
again pause the video.
So you're gonna fill the remaining with any pieces you want, just that you fill them.
Yeah. So you just
no, don't do that. Just fill the remaining.
And don't cover this right here. Don't cover that open space.
Don't cover that
because you're gonna have this grill
in there. So see, it's gonna be fitting right in there. Next thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna fill it up with just the level of a 1x2. So just put it right there, and then just build the rest of your pieces.
And it will fall out. So don't get mad if it falls out. You see, it just fell out.
It will not fall out the next time. It will not.
So once you put a few more bricks, it won't fall out.
Okay, so you're gonna do you're just gonna cover all but this.
So all but the opening.
All but the open piece without a flat tile on it. And then you're just gonna start with your 1x2s, which you must have a lot of. Start building with them. Just put it all up until you have no space left, and it all reaches. And then it all reaches the 1x2's level. So I'm gonna be building that. You guys can maybe watch it while building, or just watch it and then build it. So however you want to. And then you can take this remaining 1x4 and just stick it on there.
Or you can watch it, pause it, build it, watch it, pause it, build it, watch it, pause it, build it.
Yeah,
that's gonna take like an
I'll
hour.
see you in the funny paper. And then so you're gonna stick that right here. Then you're gonna take this right there, and this right there, and this right there. I don't need this. And then you're gonna put this 1x4 right here.
And then
You are going to so you are going to wait, it's not like that. Oh, sorry guys, we're just like forgot something. So you're gonna take this 1x2 right here and stick it on there.
The 1x2, the 1x1.
The 1x1, sorry guys.
So now the top.
Just keeps on falling out. Yes, so now
we're gonna build the top. Top of the top of the puzzle box. So you take this 4x4. That's the second 4x4 that you should have. And you take 8 1x1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should have 3 remaining.
Or you can just use a ton of them.
Yeah. But we recommend 8 because...
Well, just because.
And then you just make a diagonal line from one corner.
Or you can just do any design.
Yeah, you can do any design. Doesn't really matter. Just do whatever design you want. I'm just going crazy with it. I'm making, I'm gonna do it. And then I'll show you what it looks like in one little teeny weeny second. 1 millisecond. So I did it like this. You can do it however you want. So I did 4 on the outside and 4 on the inside, like that. So you can do it however you want. So yeah.
Next thing you do is you take the roof and you just place it right here.
No, wait, yeah.
Okay, so if you guys are not finished, pause the video.
Pause the video, get all of this done, and then resume.
Okay, now you guys are gonna have to squeeze it, so none of the pieces are just left dangling. Okay, so now we're gonna tell you guys how to open the box. So Jake is going to do it with you.
So you take this corner right here, this colored corner. All the other corners are not super colored. Take this corner, and yeah, wait. You take it out.
You slide it out.
You slide it out, and then you go. You take
one of these top ones.
Take one of these top ones, right here. Take it off. You put it on the bottom. So it should look like this, and then you put it in this gap right here. You connect it to this bottom piece right here, that 1x1 stud. You pull it out, and there you got it. You got the stuff inside. You can use a $100 bill. It doesn't really matter. You can replace it now. You can use a $100 bill. You can use a grill. We just use a grill.
You can use a piece of gold. You can use anything you want.
Yeah, you can use...
Just so it will look like some treasure.
Yeah. So, and then just to make your life easier, take the thing out. Well, keep it out and put it back in. So, yeah, you just disconnect it. Put it back in. You put this on the top. And then it got put together. So wait, it got undone. And then you just put it back. So yeah. Thanks guys.
Thanks for watching
this video. If
Leave
you
a like
learn,
and subscribe. Smash that like button and tell us what you think about this box in the comment section.
Yeah.
Sometimes the little grill part might fall out. Just stick it back in there.
It's not a big deal.
Forever. Until it does not fall out. See, for Jay, keeps on falling out. Sorry, they had a J. They had a call J. Bye, guys.